This is the bowling court in SM City in Cebu. They have, how many courts they have? They have 16 courts there, 16 bowling courts. And then they have archery also, yeah. They have archery, yeah. If you want to shoot for 2 person. And then they have these little dart things and so also. You put the shoot. It's gone. And here you pay. Nine. And here is outside in the mall. This is on floor 3 on the end of the building. Archery tomorrow, you know, after bowling. Huh? Oh, here it is. This mall is a little older, I think, than the other SM. Maybe this is the first SM in Cebu. They have cinema also, with all the big heroes. Wow, look. Not bad. Who is he? All the big heroes. Hulk. The other 3 I don't know. Yeah, Captain America is the one. And the new movie is John Wick and Dungeons Dragons. Boo's Coffee, arrival to Starbucks. And there is the entrance to SM Bowling. This is SM Bowling. And here they have the bowling alley. And it's same style as they have in SM City. But this is probably newer because this mall is the last mall they have here in Cebu. They also have more 1, 2, 3, 4. You can play billiard. They have 16 courts here in this place. Sixteen courts. And just now it's not many playing really. And the price for bowling is 160 a person. Shoe is 50. But you can play, oh, that's what they have here. They don't have, 1 hour they have. No, that's billiard.